In a major move that caught international attention, former President Donald Trump announced a sweeping economic agreement with Japan. But what's actually in this deal? And why does it matter beyond today's headlines? Let's break down what the Trump-Japan deal means, and how it could shape global trade for years to come. At the core of the agreement is a renewed partnership between the United States and Japan, focused on boosting trade, investment, and industrial cooperation. Trump described it as a landmark deal that promises benefits for both economies. One major highlight: Japan has agreed to increase access to its markets for key American exports. That includes agricultural products, technology components, and even automotive parts. In return, Japan will gain long-term trade stability with one of its largest partners, a move seen as vital amid growing competition from China and economic pressure from global supply chain disruptions. The deal also includes new cooperation on digital trade and artificial intelligence. Both nations have agreed to support open data flows, cybersecurity coordination, and ethical AI development. This positions the U.S. and Japan as joint leaders in the global tech race. Military cooperation wasn't left out either. The agreement includes provisions for joint defense research and expanded naval operations in the Indo-Pacific. This is seen as a counterbalance to China's growing influence in the region, especially as tensions continue in the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait. Fun fact: Japan is America's fourth largest trading partner, and the two nations already exchange over $200 billion in goods annually. This deal aims to deepen that relationship even further. Another layer to this story: geopolitical strategy. By aligning more closely with Japan, Trump is signaling a broader strategy of reshaping U.S. influence in Asia, one that doesn't rely on multilateral groups like the Trans-Pacific Partnership. Instead, it leans on bilateral strength, one powerful country at a time. Critics argue the deal may benefit large corporations more than consumers. Supporters say it's a step toward rebalancing global trade in America's favor. Whatever side you're on, one thing is clear: this is more than a handshake. It's a long-term power play. So what does Trump's Japan deal really mean? It means more access for U.S. industries, deeper military ties, and a tech alliance that could shape the future. It's about influence, economics, and a renewed vision of America's role in Asia. And while today's headlines will fade, the ripple effects of this agreement may last for decades. Subscribe to Favio Fun Facts for more stories that connect world events with the big picture.